Council of Industry is a comprehensive resource
for pretty much anything that any one of us as professionals in manufacturing may need.
The Council provides
networking with other business executives in our area.
Collaborative buying programs.
When you have volume buying, you get volume discounts.
Provide my employees with quality training that's cost effective for my company.
It's helping to develop the manufacturing workforce by partnering with educational institutions.
A collaborative forum where we can come together and speak about common ideas.
Advocacy, including one-on-one meetings with the legislators.
And it helps me keep connected to my industry and to all the things going on in New York.
Everyone's there for the benefit of your business and manufacturing as a whole.
There are various maybe small to medium-sized businesses rather than the larger businesses, but those businesses are starting to thrive again, and that's through the support, the resources that are provided from the Council of Industry.